That is why, ladies and gentlemen, this is
We will now present to you the set of minor awards.
Yes, and the first minor award is the best in production number. Best in production number 2023 for Kinalubin Festival is to be awarded by Miss Felina Castro and Honorable Nestor Ascenco.
Earlier, we have witnessed the talents of our ladies for their production number. So this time, we will be awarding the winner for the production number.
Ladies and gentlemen,
our winner will receive a cash prize and of course, a dashing sash.
Kinalubin Festival Queen 2023, best in production number goes to Festival Queen candidate number 1.
Eliza Bora! Congratulations from Purok Lumboy and Eliza Bora for winning the best in production number. This time to award for the best in swimwear.
Best in swimwear will receive a sash and a cash prize, and she is to be awarded by Honorable William Sorbano and Ma'am Mira of Congressman Lou Frasco. Ladies and gentlemen, Kinalubin Festival Queen 2023 Best in Swimwear goes to
Best in swimwear, we have contestant number 3, Jessica Sospeña.
Purok Manga.
Congratulations, Jessica Sospeña from Purok Manga for winning the best in swimwear.
Yes, and now, ladies and gentlemen, the next minor award is
We have the best in talent.
yes, last May 3, 2023, we held the talent competition here at Barangay Optimista Covered Board. So we have our top 3 during that night.
Yes, our top 3 was announced to be candidate number 1, Eliza Borja, candidate number 2, Jeremy Colongo, and candidate number 6, Lenny Florentino.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Kinalubin Festival Queen 2023 Best in Talent is to be awarded by Mr. and Mrs. Conrad and Linda Florentino. Your Best in Talent is Festival Queen Talent number.
Our Best in Talent goes to candidate number 6, Lenny Florentino.
Representing Purok Hanggabaw.
Again, our winner for the Best in Talent will receive a cash prize and a sash. Again, congratulations, Lenny Florentino, for winning the Best in Talent.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have our Best in Evening Gown. Best in Evening Gown for the Kinalumi Festival in 2023 is to be awarded by Mr. and Mrs. Honorable William and Nina Surbano. Kinalumi Festival Queen 2023 Best in Evening Gown is Festival Queen Talent number.
Best in Evening Gown winner is candidate number 1, Eloisa Borja. Again, congratulations for winning the Best in Evening Gown, Eloisa Borja representing Purok Lomboy. Next award is the winner for Miss Queen's Collection.
Miss Queen's Collection is to be awarded by Miss Georgina Montesilio, the owner of Queen's Collection. Miss Queen's Collection for the Kinalumi Festival Queen 2023 is none other than Festival Queen Candidate number. Festival Queen Candidate number 5, Evangeline Purok Mahoney.
Again, our winner
2023 Best in Festival Costume is to be awarded by Mr. Clifford Bernasa and Mrs. Arsley Mistula. Festival Queen 2023 Best in Festival Costume goes to Festival Queen Talent number 1. For Kinalumit Festival Queen 2023. Yes, your journey to your crown will continue because you belong to the top 3. Festival Queen, candidate number 6.
Lady Florentino!
You still belong to the running. Festival Queen candidate number.
You are joining the top 3 candidate number 1. And Loisa Cora.
To complete our top 3. Yes, you belong to the top 3. Festival Queen candidate number.
Congratulations, candidate number 3, Jessica Sospecha.
2023.
Congratulations to the ladies who made it on top. And of course, for the ladies na wala natin sa top 3, still a big...
The final round of the competition. The final question and answer portion.
Alright, so this time, our ladies will be choosing numbers from 1 to 5, and the questions will be coming from the board of judges.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6, Letty Florentino.
Yes, good evening. Okay ra? Kaya ra? Okay. Sige, sa designer natin, congratulations. Letty, choose a number from 1 to 5.
Number 3.
Number 3, si Ma'am Georgina Montesilio.
Again, the candidate can answer in English, Tagalog, and Bisaya, any
Yes.
language you feel comfortable with, okay?
Good evening, contestant number 3, number 6. I'm sorry.
Good evening.
Here's your question. If you will be crowned as Miss Kinalubihan Festival Queen 2023, how will you use your title to convince more tourists to visit Alta Vista?
Pardon, please.
Okay, I will repeat the question. If you will be crowned as Miss Kinalubihan Festival Queen 2023, Kinalubi 2023, how will you use your title to convince more tourists to visit Alta Vista?
Thank you for that question. If I will be crowned sa Binibining Kinalubi Festival 2023, I will convince tourists to went here in our barangay and try our different product and ilay try ang among different product ay para ila mahibawan kung nano panindot ang amon mga kanang product na pinaagi sa lubi o daghang salamat.
Yes, thank you so much, candidate number 6, Letty Florentino.
Yes, nice recover. No, ipasigat mo yun ang product. Next, Festival Queen candidate number 1, Eloisa Borja. The Hakot Award girl.
Very green.
Yes.
Green ba niya?
Dahil hindi mo makaya, ako na igulit dahil. Ang cash prize mo kayo siguro is what
Alright, candidate number 1, Eloisa Borja. First of all, congratulations for making it to the top 3. Alright, so this time, may you please choose your judge from 1 to 5 except number 3. Number 2.
Number 2, Mr. Dan Israel Garrido Soto. Mike Adada.
Okay, so by the way, good morning everyone. Good morning Alta Vista. Okay, here's your question. If you win tonight as Kinalubi Festival Queen 2023, how will you continue the legacy of Sir Jesse as the founder of the Kinalobi Festival? Again, if you win tonight as Kinalobi Festival Queen 2023, how will you continue the legacy of Sir Jesse as the founder of Kinalobi Festival?
Thank you for that very wonderful question. So I will continue the legacy that nagikuan ni Sir Jesse through kanang encourage ang mga youth, especially ang mga youth diri sa Altavista kay kasagaran ang sa ako na obserbaran kay daghan mga youth na but they don't have anang wa sila courage gani na courage gani nga mo self-interact or mo kanang mo kuan gani kanang ma-express sa ina kaugalingon tungod na kay mag-uwawon sila like nakon ani kay usa ko sa mga kabatanunan nga maawawon but because of my na-motivate ko sa mga tao na-motivate ko nila tungod kay ara sila nakita nga potensyal na ako o maura kadto daghang salamat. Yes, thank you so much boys for indeed ang mga tao magtuon at Sir JB is a very big plus when it comes to confidence.
Yes.
Right. Well, thank you so much, candidate number 1, Eloisa Borja. And this time, we've called the last finalist for
The last finalist is Jessica Sosumelia, who won the best in swimwear. Okay, so Jessica, choose a number from 1 to 5 except 2 and 3. 1. Wala sa puso sa number 1. Sister Ariel Sunico Borlasa.
Right. Mayang buntag Alta Vista. Again, mayang buntag Alta Vista. Mayang buntag. Right, that's great. Thank you so much for having us today. And of course, good morning, my dear candidate number 3. You can use the microphone. Okay, so, alright. So, how are you at this moment? Alright, so, let's shine tonight. That I know that's very normal. Just like me before when I joined pageant. Alright, so, be yourself. I know that you really shine tonight, just like the stars in the sky. Alright, so Jessica, right? Are you ready for your question?
I was born ready.
Wow! And I love the fighting spirit. Yes, I love the fighting spirit. Alright. So, alright, so Jessica. Alright, so Jessica, get ready. This is your question. I will read the question twice. Understand and do your best. Alright, so here is it. Earlier, most of you told us that Barangay Alta Vista experienced calamities. If a tourist outside Poro is scared or afraid in visiting your barangay, now how will you convince them that Alta Vista is safe? Again, earlier, most of you told us that Barangay Alta Vista experienced a lot of calamities few years ago. If a tourist outside Poro is scared or afraid in visiting your barangay or this barangay Alta Vista, the question is, how will you convince them to visit Alta Vista as safe barangay?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
You're welcome, my dear.
Ako is safe
okay, how will you convince the tourists that Alta Vista is safe?
I will encourage the tourists. Ako na-encourage ang mga bisita to visit Alta Vista. Kaya dapat kami makita na maayong spot and safe kini. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Jessica Sosmelia. There you have it, the final 3 question and answer portion.